Alright, welcome for another video. Today we have one small box from eBay, and let's find out what's inside of this box. I know it's this was for parts or not working, but you know, we can fix it. So let's see what's in here. As you can see right away, you can find notice that we have some James and Gordon, and the first one is a talking Gordon from Mattel, and looks really clean, nice. Okay, the next one is a talking James. Look, it's missing the battery cover, but battery contacts are clean. Next is a kind of Chuggington model talking train. I used to sell a lot of these like 6-7 years ago, and nobody was interested in these models, even today. And okay, let's see. First, let's get rid of this and see if this talking function works. Yes, it does work.
I washed off my wheels. This just isn't my day.
So the Chuggington is talking. It's an interactive toy. But let's see what's going on with the James. James is the most important for me.
Hello,
Talking
I'm
James. And it runs excellent.
I'm James. I'm the brightest red engine on Sodor.
So the eBay seller put it as a non-working, but as you can see, it's working. And let's see if Gordon is not running. Okay. We gotta change the batteries. Probably the batteries might be old, and this is one of the common problems that happens. See, that's the stock batteries, the original batteries when this model was sold. Let's see if our new ones work. I mean fresh batteries, not new. And let's see.
Hello, I'm Gordon.
It runs kind of slow, and I think it's the gear problem inside on the electric motor. We'll fix that later, but it's good. Excellent. Next video. Okay, today we have a lady from one of our subscribers saying the gears is skipping, so we gotta fix that gear. It's not really complicated, and it's missing the rubber tires too. So this model is from one of our friends. His name is, I think, David from Texas, if I'm not mistaken. He sent us a bunch of models, and I already sent these models back to him, but I couldn't have a chance to upload the video. And okay, here is we gotta remove the electric motor and the tires, I mean the axles and tire wheels, and so that way we can access to the gear and put a new one. As you notice, I'm using a fork. This is really useful to remove the wheel cranks. And the problem here is on that gear right there in the axle, the driving wheels. It's cracked right there. Can you see it? I think the electric motor is clean. Here my wife is helping me fix this model. And okay, now let's see the gear right there? It's cracked and it's loose. So pull really hard and it comes off really easy. So again, The replacement gears for this driving axles I do not have in stock, but hopefully I get them soon. And here's what I used to do to replace it. So once I do this, see, I'm using here the dremel with a little hole so I can tap it in and push the gear to its position. So you gotta be very careful so you don't break the gear right there. This one doesn't come in the exact measurement, you will not find it, so that's the reason I used to cut it a little bit. And as soon as we are done, we put the wheels back and the rubber tires. This one didn't come with the rubber tires, and I have some spare ones here. Very easy, doesn't matter if it's dark gray or white or tan, who cares? The most important thing is to put the rubber tires to make it work. So this one did not require a lot, it's very easy and simple, and it might take you like less than 5 minutes. If you have the tools and the gear and a little bit of experience, you don't need to be expert, but it would take you 5 minutes. If you are inexperienced, it might take you like 8 to 10 minutes just to replace the plastic gear. Again, I do not have in stock this plastic gear because nobody sells them, and the ones I got them like a year ago from a Chinese seller, and I have to cut the gears a little bit because otherwise it will not work on the model. Now there is working. Excellent, excellent. Very easy. Our friend only asked me to put some rubber tires. Here I'm doing a little test to confirm it's working. So I was saying my friend didn't ask me to do anything else, it's just to replace the gear and put the tires. But I did a little bit extra. I fixed the eyes and the eyebrows a little bit, so because it was a little bit, the eyebrows were off, removed, and the eyes too a little bit. So in this video I just show you pretty much the end of the process. I don't show you everything because I already done this, and I hope this helps to our new subscribers and how to fix this lady. See the eyes? Now the difference, and that's the best I can do. Alright, thanks for watching.